How's it going, everybody? This is Kamal Ref. Right now we are in Great Clock Section 2 for Gold Bolt number 2, and it's the crank challenge. The whole point of this is to use time pads to get a copy of yourself in each of the 4 cylinders to get the gold bolt on the door. I finished this with about 3 seconds left. There really is no other way around it. So if you mess up at all, don't be afraid to delete all your recordings and start over. Otherwise you will get frustrated. Now the key to this is cutting corners and double jumping. You want to barely touch the pad, and you need to keep moving. You want to start with red and work your way around. You're going to finish with blue, so you'll be getting the gold bolt with blue. And I fucked up. It's really not that hard once you figure it out, but I was frustrated for a while because you have to cut corners, and it doesn't look like you can make them. Now, the whole point of this is to get green in here, because he's just going to sit there useless for the rest of the time. So you need blue up here. But you have to remember you have to let them land first, since you can only throw one time bomb. Now the key to get this is to get, only yellow then go. Okay. The key to this is to getting blue into that one by 38 seconds. He has to be in there by 38 seconds, otherwise you're probably not going to make it. So just keep trying, restarting, doing whatever you have to do in order to make that 38 seconds happen. If somebody else comes up with a better way, then I'd love to hear it, since I've tried it on just about every other way. Okay, 38 seconds, there you go. Now you use the guinea pig. Remember, they may be clones of you, but they will still go on the button no matter what. So the moment they're inside that, go to the next clone. So now that the green's in there, you need to get blue back over here in this right one. Seconds, the moment 38's up, run. And leave him on the switch. You're going to do yellow next. Now remember, 38 seconds is the key to doing this on time. So the moment you see 38 seconds, you need to start running. I mean, if you can do it faster, by all means, go ahead. But if you don't do it by 38, you are not going to do this challenge. Blues out, run. Cut the corners again. Now, red needs to go all the way on the other side of the platform with blue. He'll be the guinea pig for that cylinder. And then after that, it's just hoping you did it fast enough, and that you can get to the gold bolt before the door closes. Usually I get right over there with about 17 seconds. All fast this time. Cranks challenge. I hope this guide helps